Ferris has been rewarded. He's a real something. Welcome to the home. Hope you like the new digs. Well, if you'd like to clean up, go right ahead. But don't worry, we'll give you a hand. Hey, no need to bend our fingers. Or maybe there is. Remember, never underestimate the power of macaroni art. Run some sinewy strings through them. And you've got joints. Soon you can slip it on like a second skin. Now you can pick up all this trash safely. Sure, you could wear gloves, but this is more fun. Ooh, a red cup? Who does this remind you of? Mr. Krabs. You know, he's got a tough shell. And thanks to him, so will our new trash bin. And we can't say no to a friendly face. Don't forget those big, meaty claws. I think our new friend might be hungry. So why don't we help to fill him up? Think we should add a Squidward recycling bin? Wow! This floor is clean enough to grill Krabby Patties on. Well, I think you've earned a nice little... You know, Gary's giving me an idea. We can whip up our own snail, and we'll make it extra large. Remember, our little mollusk is gonna need a tough shell. As they say, life's better with a little swirl. Of course, when it comes to eye stalks, go big or go home. Our Gary's one of those fancy soft-shell snails. And he's here to take you places with style and comfort.
1 hour later.
Looks like Goldie Sponge is awake from his nap. And it looks like he wants something to eat. Silly boy, you can't eat cardboard. But it might just help us in another way. We're gonna whip up our very own icebox. And you know it's made up of very good stock. Looks like someone ordered the Sandy Cheeks special. Did someone order the hibernation package? Hold on, just need to reboot it real quick. That's more like it. Let's see, cheese, tomatoes, more cheese, candy. But we need a way to help get things cooking. After all, every fry cook needs to have his own grill. And there's room for everything. The buns, the veggies. Can't forget the condiments. Ooh, let's heat things up. SpongeBob, don't touch the grill when it's hot. Why do you think they put spatulas in the ocean? Golden brown. Add bread, cheese, and all that good stuff. You just can't beat that secret formula. Would you like fries with that? They're kelp fries with jellyfish dipping sauce. Now for the piece de resistance, the Krabby Patty. Yes, it's a real burger. You thought it was paper? Uh-oh, looks like Sponge Boy's retaining water, which makes sense. He is a sponge after all. No matter. A little exercise Bikini Bottomites do. And that would be jellyfishing. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Let's see what else we can catch around here. It's your old pals, SpongeBob and Patrick. Now that's what I call a growing friendship. Let's show you guys all around the world above. Let's taste and choose.
Okay.
Let's let these two hang while we check our phone. That dancing Squidward's going places. And we mean out the phone. Ooh, are we making him a cardboard dance stage? Just need to add a skewer and a straw inside. But I think we need a secret weapon. It's time to open up Sandy's fridge. That's right.
Yep.
Never underestimate the power of a bottle cap. Hook it up. And soon, Squidward can make his debut. Now that's what I call a Spinderella story. Our tentacled friend really knows how to put on a show. You know, it's hot in here. Good thing you saved that milk. Still thirsty? Maybe some pineapple can help.
Oh yeah.
Ah, pineapples. They're not just for real estate. But home is still where the heart is. So why don't we make a tribute to our favorite fruity abode? We need to whip up a pineapple, complete with fresh spikes. But we're gonna need something to hold our juice. See, kids? It always pays to reuse and recycle. Don't forget to hook up a straw at the end. Of course, we can't forget all our favorite pineapple accessories. Now, don't forget to savor a piece of fruit. Ooh. And save the rest to make into some juice. Now press the button and enjoy our fresh brew. It's real high tech. It even knows when to stop. Now that's fresh. You know, for canned stuff. Uh-oh, we've got company.
Huh?
Guess he's shy, so why not slip into something familiar? Well, either way, it looks like someone wants to play with you. Seriously, who can make a better friend than SpongeBob? Hey everybody, it's Snow Bob Ice Pants. Looks like Patrick wants to know what's the scoop. We could use all this to make a sundae. But SpongeBob should go back to the water. I think we accidentally invited all of Bikini Bottom over. But it's no fun just standing around in the sand. Why don't we make you something really fun? We'll make you a fun slide, complete with your faces on top. Let's add on a little stairway to heaven. Let's have SpongeBob and Patrick try each other's slides. Something tells me that they liked it. Let's go again. Ooh, looks like Sandy Cheeks wants to try. But our karate-chopping Aquanaut wants a real challenge. We'll build you a slide with levels. And seashells. But it needs something else.
What?
Wormy! You can help us.
Ew.
But there's always room for growth. Aw, they grow up so fast, don't they? And just look at how stretchy you are. That'll come in handy. Don't forget something to help Sandy climb up. I mean, she's a squirrel. Climbing's in her nature. Of course, what goes up has got… Uh-oh! Go away, angry cloud. Let's hope he doesn't bring friends. You know, you'd think the weather would be nice underwater. Well, no cloud can rain on our parade or next crafting project. Not sure what it is exactly, but it involves rocks. Add color. And give it a good shake. Now that's an improvement. We'll need more liquid. Oh, thank you, Squidward. Fill her up. Now these bottles could use a little makeover. Complete with straws. And a new clay cover. You know, Squidward helped us, so let's give back. Doesn't this look familiar? It's his house. Add some sand and more rocks to help it blend in. Step on it, Squidward. Try our new outdoor shower. Ooh, jellyfishing! SpongeBob and Patrick's favorite. Did you guys forget to bring your net? A hook? Mr. Krabs warned us about you. But maybe we could still put it to good use. Cover it up with twine and add a net. Soon, we'll be able to scoop these jellies on their way. Here, why don't we take you to meet some new friends? And I think we can draw up some snacks for you guys.
What?
Wow, I guess there really is a chicken of the sea. Ooh, an egg. But it could use a splash of blue. Heard of a sky full of stars? Well, how about a sea? And we've got the perfect arch for it. Add some corner coral. Here, guys, now you can see all your friends from a safe distance. Of course, sometimes it really is best to reach out. Don't be naughty, Gary. SpongeBob's collecting those bottle caps. Besides, it's more fun to make it into our own Ferris wheel. But we should really make something to stand it up. 'Cause otherwise, it'll just be a pinwheel. Grab a flip-flop. Let's just say I've got an idea. And I think it will really help Gary learn to like bottle caps. Bring them together. And Gary's our brand new water wheel. Now who says that snails are slow? See? I told you Gary would like it. Ooh, SpongeBob and Patrick are hungry. 3 a.m. already? Don't worry. And it looks like sponges have got to stick together. In fact, everything's just a little bit better when it's a sponge. Like our handy new burger vending machine. Which means we're gonna need some tiny patties. Of course, our sponge chef should really dress for the job. Here, SpongeBob, wanna try our maiden patty? Don't worry, Patrick won't be too far behind. Ooh, he's thirsty, but you can't drink pool water. We could whip you up a pink lemonade stand. Then again, variety is the spice of life. So why don't we include a whole bunch of flavors? Grape, strawberry, apple, and orange. That drink already looks pretty solid. But drinks reach room temperature sooner than you think. And ice machines always end up paying for themselves. Here, Patrick, have something to wet your whistle. Formula? At this point, I say we should just let Plankton have it. Ooh, a reconstructed Krabby Patty. Fancy. You know, making patties sure is hungry work. Wait, this isn't a regular eating patty. We're making a Krabby Patty carousel. Hey, look, a sea bottle. Must be from one of those sea cows. But save the bottle, paint it, and slice it up. From this angle, it kind of looks like sashimi. A worm. And I guess Patrick's not afraid of hooks. Just stay away from tuna cans. Or mayonnaise. Looks like we're sewing this fish back together. So eyes are appreciated. And you can't see without light. And soon, you'll help light up all of Bikini Bottom. Wow! We've got a whole underwater amusement park! Something tells me Glove World's got some serious competition. And all of Bikini Bottom is here for the grand opening. As SpongeBob would put it, it's the best day ever!